Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BrickBounty brand 22-in-1 car and motorcycle set. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this open and out of the box, as mentioned, there's 22 different assortment concepts here. And so you'll want to kind of just check out your instruction manual. There's a whole bunch of pieces. Now, what it does note, or I want you to note, is that they are kind of labeled as 1 and 2s. So as you go through this, just be aware that it's going to kind of walk you through the exact process for, the Formula 1 and or trying to avoid showing any QR codes here. Anyway, or the motorcycle. There's just a whole bunch of different things. There's a way to get. There's an app in there that you can or website that you can check out. But each one comes with a 1 or a 2, and they're noted here. So just be aware of that. So overall, this thing, again, is good for kids 8 and older. There's 298 total pieces, so could be a lot of fun. Could be a lot of stress, but could be a lot of fun for your child or for you. 22 different options to work with. So definitely worth the investment of time and effort if you're willing to put that in. So hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.